Easy, fresh, homemade guacamole. For this recipe you will need lemon, avocado, jalapeno, a tomato, onion, and parsley. Cut half an onion in small pieces. Cut one jalapeno in half. Remove the seeds. Slice into thin strips. Turn it around. Cut the other way to make small pieces. I prefer to use parsley, but you can use cilantro. Cut it as fine as you can. Cut one tomato in half. Cut off the ends. Scoop out the seeds. Cut into thin strips. Then turn it around. And cut again in small pieces. Squeeze lemon juice. Mix and set aside. Cut one large avocado in half. Remove the pit with a knife. Using a spoon, scoop out the flesh of the avocado. Squeeze lemon juice. Mash the avocado with a fork. You want it to be chunky. Add ground cumin and salt to taste. Add all the ingredients together. Combine all well. And there you have it. Fresh homemade guacamole.